Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the MSVCR120.dll missing error on Windows 10 and Windows 11. First, we will install the Visual C Redistributable package. Open your browser and go to the official website of Microsoft. Search for Visual C Redistributable packages for Visual Studio 2013. Make sure you download the correct files. You need to download both the x86 and x64 versions. Even if you are using a 64-bit version of Windows, install both versions. After downloading, install each file. Once both are installed, restart your computer. After the restart, try opening the program again and check if the error is gone. If the problem is still there, we will run the System File Checker tool. Click on the Start menu, type Command Prompt. Then right-click on it and choose Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type sfc/scan now and press Enter. The system will now scan for missing or damaged system files and repair them automatically. Wait until the process reaches 100%. When it finishes, restart your computer. If you still see the error, the last method is to reinstall the program that shows the message. Thanks for watching.